Hello guys, happy Friday everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Lorraine and you are watching the Budget Era XX. So today is last Friday of May, and then we are heading to the next month, which is May. No, which is June. How? Yes, then we are heading to the next month, which is June. So we are here with our box challenge, the back to school box challenge, my box challenge. If you are interested in this box challenge will be, I will link the Google Drive on the description so that you can get one for yourself. I dedicate this box challenge, all of the money that I'm going to save is going towards the school necessities for 2026. Yes, so let us save for the school. Let's see how we're gonna do this week. I have 100 rand for the week for this Friday, and yeah, let's see how many cards I can be able to complete with the 100 rand that I have. So sharp. The first card is this beautiful pencil, or is it a pencil or is it a pen? I don't know, with a 30 rand. Remember, I am not ticking anything. I am not marking anything because I want to use this box challenge again at a later stage. Then we have this beautiful ruler pencil and in end, and there it is. We are saving a 10 rand in here. And then the next one, the backpacks are somewhere. Yes, this backpack, there it is, with 30 rand. So guys, how are we all doing? How is everyone doing? How is the month? How did the month go for us or for you? Share in the description below, and our last 30 goes in here. So I completed only 4 cuts for today. So yeah, as I was asking, how is everyone doing? How is everyone's journey of saving? I was still there. You know, I want to, like, I don't know, like this one, I want to condense this, but I don't think I have the right amount. Let me see. This is 40 rand. I don't know, but I feel I want to condense this money so that I can get my 10s back, 2, 4, 6, like this one also, so that I can get my 10 rands back. This one is only 30 rand, but we'll see off camera how I'm gonna do, or how I'm gonna deal with that one. So yes guys, that was it for the box challenge, our back to school box challenge. And let's say I will see you on my next one. Or I wanted to add something else. I don't know if I want to. I think I should do this one. The thank God is Friday. Where is it? There we go. Let's put some money in the thank God is Friday. I have 40 rand. Let me see. 25 plus 35, it's 50. That is 60 rand, ne? Ane? Yes, that's 60 rand. Let me grab, I have 10 rand here. Yeah, here's a bow, that's 50, and that is 60 rand. So let me just 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Yes, for our thank God is Friday we saved 60 rand. Where's my marker? There we go. We are doing this one and this one, and let's see how much we have in here. All in all, we have now let me see, that's 100, 200, 2 4 6 7 8 9 300, 300, and we have 300 and 310. So remember, I wanted to do the condensing. Let me do this. 2 4 6 8 10. These 100 rand, let me take it in here because I really need some change. There's 100, and then put this 100 in here. 2 4 6 8 10. Yes, put this one in here. In that way, I've made some change. Yay! We have some change, and yep. Then in my thank God is Friday, I have 310 rand saved. We still have a long way to go. So yeah, we'll see you on the next video. For today, we are done. We are done. Done. Yes, guys. And thank you very much. Oh, I didn't say this. Yeah. So yes, guys, thank you very much for joining me. Hopefully you enjoyed today's video as I joined. It was a long short video, but I did what I needed to do, and yeah, we'll see you on my next one. Take care of yourself. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to share. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider doing so. If you enjoy the content that I'm sharing with you. So yeah, see you on my next one. Let me love and leave you. Bye.